How to share multiple contacts at once on iPhone. Whether you are sending your entire contact list to a colleague or just a few key numbers to a friend, doing it one by one can be a real hassle. So in this way, I'll show you an easy method to share multiple contacts at once on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. Launch your phone app. Navigate to the Contacts tab. Now use your two fingers to select the contacts that you want to share. Just press and hold and then swipe down in this way. Once you are done selecting the contacts, now what you have to do is press and hold on any of the contact. With that, a fun option will pop up. Select the option of share. Now from here you have to select the fields. If you want to share first name, phone number, mobile number, notes, you can check in for it. Once you are done, you can click on the option of done. Now you're gonna get different options to share. You can use your AirDrop, Messages, Drive, and many other social media platforms to share this contact. Go ahead and select any of it. So I have selected Gmail. Once you are done, you can send it. By applying the same process, you can easily share other contacts as well. And that's how you can share multiple contacts at once on your iPhone. Easy, quick, and without the frustration of individual sharing. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.